Welcome to my toy review. I'm taking over. Welcome to SweetHart Adventures. So we are ready to do a toy review, and I love toy reviews. Guys, so here we have Happy Places by Shopkins. So we never played this before. I love it. We liked it. So this is a credit card. Everyone needs to go shopping. This is a thermos cup. This is where you put hot chocolate. And this is chocolate where you eat chocolate, because I love chocolate. This is a box where you put the chocolate. This is keys, so everyone needs keys, right? Duh, because everyone can't do it without keys. This is the gas, the wheels, the gas. And her her adventure dress turns to a ball gown. And this is a little basket. This is a picnic basket. Everywhere you want to go with your friends. And here, there's this special car. And look, this is where you put the gas. And this is where you put the food. And this is the princess. And the doors can open. That's awesome. And we have visitors coming, but they're toys. So here we have all of them. So we like it. I never played this. So we're gonna play with it, start having a special guest. And our guesses are a toy. But definitely not really like this kind. But today I couldn't find all of mine. Well, we just have the princesses only, since they look like Shopkins, right? Yeah, they do. So we're gonna start moving on. We're gonna start moving on to the toys after we start doing the special guest. First we have Tiana. Woo! Now who's next? We have Belle. Woo! And now we have Snow White. Woo! So first let me close this up. Okay. We need some gas, right? Let me put on my dress for the picnic. Okay, we're just gonna lay down and watching TV. After get up and get dressed, because I'm getting dressed right now. Woo. Doing that in my portal. Guys, it's time to get dressed. Oh, I'm already dressed. I'm dressed. Okay, I'm gonna start getting in the car. There we go. Wait, does anyone? Oh yeah, we need that one. I'm gonna get the gas in. So we need gas, because I figured that out. Now we just need your credit card. First we need to go shopping. Now let me take this. Yeah. This can actually go to like the supermarket. If this wants. So okay, put this in, hurry up. Okay, put that in, yes. Put that in for our hot chocolate. Now you need your keys. Here. Okay, I'm gonna get in the back seat. Yeah. No, sit. Why can I not sit? Okay, this is better. Yeah, you're right. Hey, I wanted that seat. Well, first, I got it first. No fighting, guys, okay? Okay, she's right. Am I the last one? Yeah, you are. Ah! Ouch! Yeah. Close the door. Does everyone have buckled in? Does anyone left something behind? Oopsies, I think I did. Memmy. Okay. So, Mem, get in the car. Get back in the car. Don't even think about moving, you guys. Why not? I'm gonna go get something and stay in. Yay. Ah! Did you push me? Well, oopsies. Sorry. It needs to belong in here, though. It needs to. Can I get this in here? Yeah. Yeah. Here. E. Guys, I kind of messed it up, I think. Okay. I think the bottle needs to go there. And you shut it? Okay, that's wrong. There we go. No fighting, you two, because you know everything. No, you guys don't. First, wait, we need to go shopping. I will go shopping. No, I'm the driver first. Okay. Everyone, time to get out. I'm going, okay? Okay, sis. Close my door. Guys, I'm gonna go shopping, okay? Okay, we'll stay here parking. Okay, so what do I get? Ooh, are these Shopkins? Hello, what's your name? Oh, my name is, let me think about it. My name is Strawberry. You can get in the cart. We always need orange juice. Guys, I got the stuff. Great job. But how are we going to put this in? How are we? Because we don't know space. How are we going to get this in? I don't know. I think on the back seat or what? I think you need to hold some of the groceries. I'm going to get this one since I like sugar. Guys. Okay, guys, I think you need to leave this out, but we need orange juice. How are we going to get orange juice now? I know why, because I'm sitting back. Now we know. Yay. Okay. Hey, stop saying. Okay. There we go. I'm going to get in the car. Let me close my door. Yo. Yay, we're here. So glad. Oh, thanks. Ah! Ouch. Sorry. That's okay. You want to go help the others? First, let's clean up the mess. Let's get this out. Here we go. So I'm gonna get that out. Come on, let's get you out. Guys, I kind of bring something with me in case I can't stand you guys up because you guys do things. So I got the cart. What the? Are you for real? Okay, I'm gonna sit. Go. There we go. Yay! Now you're not bored no more. Yay. Yay. Get that fun. Guys, so I'm gonna bring everything out. Go. Close this. Then close the doors. Here we go. There we go. This looks like a nice picnic spot. Yeah. Sit down. Okay, I'm going to set up the picnic. You guys stay there. Let me get out. Oh, that's delicious picnic. Yes. Okay, guys, I have all the stuff out. Yay! Now I can play. And now it's time for playtime. Oh, yeah. It's time for eating. Okay, Okay, I'm gonna sit down here. Ah! Okay, a little bit close. Please sit. Yeah. I'm sitting. Ouch! Yay! Guys, why are you not sitting? I don't know. I think that's why we don't have no space. So guys, this is why you need Shopkins. And I kind of lost my Shopkins. But I hope you have fun with my toy review. I love you. Bye.